Here you go. I'm going to check on Active Learn, those who finished their books on Active Learn. Okay, so over the week, on Saturday and Sunday, we had one book on Active Learn, and I told those who had more books to finish their books. So Kadir Eren, good, he finished his books. Said has 4 books. Said is absent today. Okay, we like that Said is absent. Asen has no books, very good. Zeynep Beren has no books, good. Nilsu, no books. Belinay Çay, no books, great. Who is absent? Belinay is not here. Okay. Hüseyin Efe, good job. He finished his books. Kadir Çeki has 6 books. Sümeyye, very good. You finished your books. Nisa, I don't think Nisa is present, and Nisa has 5 books. Wow. Ümit Khan, you have 3 books. Ümit, what happened? You have 3 books. Esma finished her books, good. Good job, Esma. Burcu has 1 book, so she didn't finish, and Burcu is not present right now. She has 1 book. Eflin, so you finish yours. Good job. Çınar, you have 3 books to finish, Çınar. Hasan Efe, you have 1 book. Serap has 6 books, and Serap is not present. Azra has 0 books. Thank you very much, Azra, for finishing your books. Ibrahim Utkan has got 6 books to finish, and Ibrahim is absent right now. Ibrahim is absent. Idil, I didn't see Idil. She's absent, and she has 6 books to finish. Hazım Efe has 0 books. Bilge has 1 book. Bilge, you didn't finish this book. I sent 1 book over the weekend. Beyza, you finished your books. Good job. And finally, Gökçen, as you have 1 book, you didn't finish your books.
Teacher.
Okay. Who is speaking?
Teacher.
Yes, Gökçen.
May I speak your Turkish, please?
May you what? Speak?
May I speak your Turkish, please?
Yes, you can.
Teacher, benim bir tane oradaki sorulardan birisi açılmıyordu da o yüzden yapamadım.
Okay, so you finish your books. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you very much. All right, guys. So now what we're going to do is we are going to start by learning about how to prepare a meal, okay? How to make a meal, how to make food, okay? For example, if it's a chicken salad, how to make a chicken salad. If it's pasta, how can we make pasta? We learn the words and the verbs we need to do these activities, and then we'll do them on our own, okay? All right. So let me make sure all your microphones are off before we start. All right, so please get your notebooks and take down notes, because we're going to be learning some verbs we will use when preparing meals, when making food. We will learn some new verbs. Okay. Oh, what's this? 1 second, new share. Yes, here we are. Preparing a meal, making food, writing a recipe. What verbs do we use? So our first slide here, we have these verbs. When we are making a meal, we mix, okay? So we have a little girl here mixing something, okay? What is she doing? She's mixing something. Mix. Put, for example, we can put the pasta in the bowl, put the salad on the plate, put the lemonade in the cup, okay? Put, the action of putting, okay? Put. And we also have the verb wash. It is very important for any fruits and vegetables we have in the kitchen that we wash them before we eat or cook them. We wash them, okay? So here we have some examples using the words, the verbs. For example, mix the water and the flour. So here she mixed water and flour, and she's mixing them now. She's mixing them. Number 2, put the pasta in the bowl. Put the pasta in the bowl. Put it. Put, okay? Wash. Wash the tomatoes and cucumbers. Wash the tomatoes and cucumbers. So the first 3 verbs we learned are mix, put, wash. Make sure you understand these verbs in Turkish. Make sure you understand these verbs. Just give me a second. I need to mute all the microphones. Okay. All right. The next three verbs we're going to learn about are add, serve, and cut. Add, serve, and cut. What does add mean? Okay, so here he's adding salt to the soup, maybe. Okay, he's adding, add some salt to the soup. Serve, serve the salad in the bowl. She's serving the food. She's serving. Here you go, madam. Here you go, sir. She's serving the food. Cut, you all know this. Cut or chop the fruits and vegetables. Cut or chop the fruits and vegetables. Cut or chop the fruits and vegetables. Okay. We have finished these six verbs. We looked at mix, put, wash. We also looked at add, serve, cut. Okay. Now we're going to move to something new. We're going to move to something new. Okay. Now, these here are methods of cooking. How can we cook? Okay? There are different ways of cooking, methods of cooking. How can you cook? How can you cook? You can fry food, okay, where you put a lot of oil. You put it in a pan and you fry it. So this is called frying. You fry potatoes, you can fry chicken, you can fry fish, you can fry different other foods with oil. Oil, okay? Fry. So this is what we call to fry. All right. Grill. Grill, you have a barbecue. Sometimes when you have picnics, you grill, you put it on a grill. Open fire, grill, okay? Fry the fish, grill the meat, okay? Boil. Now, this is what we mean by boil. We put a lot of water and it becomes very hot, and it's making some sounds like that. Boil, we boil in water, So the third method of cooking is boil. Another method of cooking is bake. 1 second, please, I'm sorry about that. Another method of cooking is bake, okay? Bake. We can bake cake, we can bake cupcakes, we can even bake chicken and fish. We can bake it by putting it in the oven, okay? We can grill fish and chicken. Different ways of doing it. You can fry fish, you can grill fish, you can boil fish, you can bake fish. They're just different ways of cooking. So the 4 methods of cooking we have are fry, grill, boil, bake. Fry, grill, boil, bake. Let's look at the examples. Fry the fish, boil the potatoes, grill the meat, bake the cupcakes, okay? So these are the 4 methods of cooking. And now, finally, we are going to move to measuring when cooking. So when you're cooking or when you're baking, how do you measure? You measure things in cups. For example, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, okay? We measure in a cup, okay? Teaspoon, we have a small spoon, a tiny spoon, very small. This is called a teaspoon. Put a teaspoon of salt in the soup. Put a teaspoon of salt in the salad, okay? Tablespoon, this is a bit bigger, okay? A teaspoon is small and a tablespoon is bigger, okay? Put a tablespoon of salt in the soup. Put a tablespoon of salt in the vegetables, okay? Tablespoon, okay. All right, so now, first, I want us to look at methods of cooking. Yes, can you tell me, what foods can you bake? I can bake cupcakes. What else can you bake? Bake, the method of baking. Yes, Beza. Yes, Beza, I can hear you. Oh, I can't hear you now. I don't know what's happening. Before I could hear you, but now I can't hear you. Please try check your microphone. Okay, Eflin.
Fish.
What?
Fish.
I can't get you. Fish.
Fish.
Yes, you can bake fish, for example. Yes, what else can you bake? Tell me some things you can bake. Different things you can bake. Yes.
Chicken.
You can bake chicken, okay. What things can you fry? What things can you fry? I'm sorry, fry. What things can you fry? What things can you fry? Yes, Asen. What things can you fry?
Eggs.
You can fry eggs. Very good. For breakfast, you can fry eggs, okay.
Yes.
Anything else? Boys, Ümit, are you paying attention? Please pay attention to the lesson. What else can you fry? Fry. Yes, Bilge.
I can fry the potato.
Yes, you can fry potatoes. Sometimes we fry potatoes and we eat them for breakfast, yeah? Yes, you can fry potatoes, you can fry eggs. Anything else? What else can you fry? Okay.
Sausages.
You can fry sausages. Yes, great job. Good. Yes, Eflin?
Carrots.
You can fry carrots? Can you fry carrots?
Yes.
Okay, maybe Eflin fries carrots. I don't know. Okay. All right, guys. Now, what can you boil? What foods can you boil? Boil. What can you boil in water? What can you boil? What foods can you boil? Yes, Gökçenaz.
Pasta.
Sorry?
Pasta.
Pasta, yes. You take a lot of water, you put the pasta in the water and you boil it. Great. You can boil pasta. Yes, Hazen.
Potatoes.
You can boil potatoes too. Yes, you can boil potatoes. Thank you very much, Hazen. Yes, Ümit Khan.
Crepe.
What's crepe? Can you boil it in water?
Doğru.
I don't think so. Okay, anything else? Anything else before we go on? Sümeyye. Yes, Sümeyye.
I can boil eggs.
Yes, you can boil eggs. Some people eat fried eggs for breakfast. Some people eat boiled eggs for breakfast. Good. Okay. And the last but not the least, yes, darling.
I can boil pudding.
Okay, yes, you can boil pudding with milk. Yes. Anything else? Okay, now tell me what you can grill. What can you grill? What food can you grill? What can you grill? Yes, tell me, what can you grill? Yes, Beren.
Fish.
Yes. You can grill fish. Yes, good job. You can grill fish. Anyone else? Someone new? Beza?
Potatoes.
Yes, you can grill potatoes. Yeah, now I can hear you. Great. You can grill potatoes. Yes, Azra, do you want to say something, Azra? Yes, Azra.
Chicken.
You can grill chicken. Good. And Hassan, what can you grill?
Meatball.
Yes, meatballs. You can grill meatballs. Yes, great. Good job. And Hazem?
Chicken.
Yes, you can grill chicken. Wonderful. Gökçe?
Tomato.
Yes,
Tomato.
you can grill tomatoes. I can grill tomatoes. Full sentences, please, guys. I can grill tomatoes. Thank you. And who else would like to speak? Again. Okay, Eflin?
Paprika.
What?
Paprika.
Ah, paprika. I thought you said kawita. I said, you want to grill me? Okay, thanks. Yes, Sümeyye?
I can grill pizza.
Yes, Chicken thighs. Yes, great. Anyone else? Yes, Sase.
Sausages.
Sausages. Yes. Beren?
I can grill meat.
Yes, you can grill meat. Okay, guys. All right. Now, we are going to look at recipes where we use the words wash, mix, cut, okay, serve. We are going to open our Big Thinker books to page number 70. Open your Big Thinker books to page 70, please. 70. Kadir Eren, open your Big Thinker books to page 70. Okay, so on page 70, we have the first activity. In this first activity, we are going to try to make a salad. So what I want you to do is choose 5 fruits. So tick on the 5 fruits you want. I want you to tick on the 5 fruits you want. For example, I want strawberries, I want mangoes, I want bananas, I want grapes, and melons. I don't want papayas. I don't like papayas. So tick on 5 different fruits. Okay, and when you are done, when you have finished this activity, let's go to activity number 2. Now, activity number 2, on these fruits, what will you put on top, okay? What will you put on top of the fruits? What will you put on top? You have to choose, how many? 1 second. You have to choose a few toppings. What will you put on top? Choose a topping. 1, 2. I choose, for me, I will choose yogurt and honey. Choose what you will put on top of your fruits. And when you finish that, let's move to activity number 3. Now we're going to make the salad. We're going to make the salad. So what are the steps? Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, step number 5, and how do we finish step number 6 of making the fruit salad? The first one has been done for you. First, you have to wash the fruit with water. This is very important. All fruits and vegetables have to be washed. So number 1 is wash. What step is step number 2? What step is step number 2? My question goes to Hussein Efe. Where is Hussein Efe? Hussein Efe, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hussein Efe, what's the second step? Step number 2. The first one is you wash the fruit. What else do you do?
Teacher.
Yes, Hussein?
Teacher.
Yes, Nimsu, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So what's step number 2? Number 1 is to wash the fruits. When you're making a salad, first, number 1, you wash the fruit. What's the second one?
Cut the fruit.
Cut the fruits. Good job, darling. Number 2, you cut the fruit. Okay, great. And step number 3. What do we do on step number 3? Esma. What do we do for step number 3? Esma? Esma? I can't hear you, Esma. Okay, I'll ask someone else. Azra? What else do you do? What's the third?
Teacher, put the fruit in a bowl.
Put the fruit in a bowl. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
no.
Yes, this is correct.
Yes.
Put the fruit in a bowl. Yes. You put the fruit in a bowl. Great. Good job, Azra. And the next step, let's ask, who can we ask for the next step? Hassan Efe, can you tell us the fourth step? What's the fourth step?
Mix the fruits.
No, you can't mix the fruits first. You have to put something. You have to add something. Yes, Hassan, what do you add? Hassan, can you hear me? I'm sorry, Hassan. Can you hear me, Hassan?
Yes, teacher,
Yes,
buradayım.
what can you add?
Add your favorite topping.
Yes, add your favorite topping. So if you want to add yogurt, if you want to add honey, if you want to add sugar, I don't know, whatever you want to add, you add it. Then what do we do next? What do we do next? After this, yes, Bilge, can you tell me what we do next, Bilge?
Mix the fruit.
We mix the fruit, perfect. And right after we mix the fruit, Bilge, what do we do?
Serve the fruit on a
Plate. Serve the fruit on a plate. Serve the fruit on a plate. So first you wash the fruit. Secondly, you cut the fruit. Then you put the fruit in a bowl. Then you add your favorite topping. You mix the fruit and serve the fruit on a plate. Perfect. Good job, everyone. Now let's move to the next activity. We have like 10 minutes. I'm going to explain to you the next activities. So, page 71, look at page 71. Page 71, you will make your own salad, okay? Your salad. And you will give the salad a name. So here you write the name of the salad. Don't write now, stop writing, no one should write. Here you choose 6 ingredients. What do you want in your salad? Lettuce, nuts, tomatoes, mango, carrots, whatever you want, you will write them here. Then, in the next step, you will write the steps. Wash what? Cut what? Cut the, wash the, blah, blah, blah. Put it where? Are you putting it in your school bag? Are you putting it on the table? Are you putting it in a bowl? Are you putting it in a plate? Where are you putting the food? Add. What are you adding? Are you adding salt? Are you adding sugar? Are you adding chocolate? Mix. What are you mixing? And then serve is done for you. And then activity number 6 is you draw your salad. And then finally, here, all you have to do is write healthy foods and unhealthy foods, and then you're finished. So, page 71 and 72 is your homework. Don't do it now, okay? 71 and 72 is your homework, okay? Do you get me? Okay, Asen. Yes?
Teacher, healthy ile unhealthy ne demekti?
Healthy. For example, apple is healthy. It's good for you. But hamburgers, potato fries, these things are not healthy. You become very big and yes, okay. All right. Now I'm going to explain to you your homework number 2. Okay, I'm going to tell you your homework number 2. Yes, Eflin?
Teacher burada hani 5. şeyde diyor ya burada yemekler var. Bu yemeklerden biraz daha biz ekleyebilir miyiz sebze ve meyvelerden?
You can add extra foods that are not in the list.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, guys. So I'm going to explain homework number 2 to you, okay? This week we have 3 homeworks, I'm sorry. So number 1 is page 71 and 72, okay? The second one is a recipe. So you are going to write a recipe. you are going to write a recipe. So I will first explain in Turkish first.
Yes.
Okay, so you are writing a recipe. That is homework number 2. Okay, homework number 1, page 71, 72. Homework number 2, a recipe. Now, homework number 3. Now, this is a surprise. You know, on the 10th, when is the 10th? 1 second, let me check. On the 10th, we have Mother's Day. Mother's Day? It's a day where we celebrate our mothers. So we have Mother's Day on Sunday, okay? Mother's Day is on Sunday. Now, we're going to prepare a surprise card for our mothers in English, okay? For example, you can use adjectives to describe your mother. For example, my mother is beautiful, my mother is strong, my mother is kind, my mother loves everyone, my mother loves laughing, she's very beautiful, I love my mother, she's the best mother in the world. Happy Mother's Day, okay? You're going to prepare a beautiful card in English, okay? Now, this homework is a surprise, so don't show this homework to your mothers. You give the cards to them on Sunday, okay? It's a surprise. So I'll give you an example. Let me give you an example of a card you can make or the words you can write for your mother. So this is just an example. You don't need to copy. You can write your own words. If you need help, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Teacher, teacher, can you help me write some words for my mother? And I can help you, no problem. I can help you write your card. So you will write a very nice poem for her. My mother is fun. My mother is beautiful. My mother is kind. My mother is strong. She is the best mother in the world. I love her more than the world. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. So the last sentence should be Happy Mother's Day. And don't forget, if you need help from me, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. Teacher, please help me, and I can help you, okay? Yes, Süreyya.
Teacher, bunu kime yapacağız?
Your mother.
Kendi annemize mi?
Yes, your mother. Your mother. I will make for my mother, and you will make for your mother. Any questions? No questions? Okay, so now quickly for the last 5 minutes, let's remember, what did we learn in the lesson? What did we learn? What words did we learn? We learned things like wash. What else did we learn in the lesson? Remind me. Yes, Chinar, what do you remember? What did we learn in the lesson? You don't remember? Hatırlamıyor musunuz? What did we learn in the lesson? We learned verbs like wash and, yes, Gökçe? I can't hear you, Gökçe. I can't hear you. Yes, Bilge.
Pat.
Put, yes, put, right? What else?
Mix.
Mix. Anything else? 1 second, Bilge, stop there. So Bilge remembers put and mix, yes? Nilsu? Please give me full sentences, guys. Yes?
Wash. Cut. Pat. Put. Add. Mix. Serve the salad.
Okay, great. Great, good. All right. So we learned put, mix, serve, cut, and wash. Okay. We learned these things. Okay. What about the 4 methods of cooking? How do we cook? 4 methods of cooking. 4 methods of cooking. Yes, give me one, Sumaya.
Bake.
Bake. We bake by putting in the oven. We can bake fruits. We can bake, sorry, not fruits. We can bake vegetables. We can bake meats. We can bake cakes and other pastries. Yes, Beza.
Boil.
Sorry?
Boil.
Boil. Yes, we can boil with water. Yes, we can boil. Great. Anything else? Beren?
Grill.
Fry. Yes, we fry with oil. You know what oil is? Yeah. We fry with oil. Yes, fry. We fry with oil. Thank you very much, Beren. And who else would like to speak? Arsene wants to speak. Yes.
Water.
What?
Water.
Water? No. We have bake. We have fry. We have boil. We boil with water.
Okay.
Anything else? There's one more. One more. Yes, Bilge.
Grill.
Grill. Okay. When we go for a picnic, we grill. Meatballs, we grill chicken, we grill any other things. Yes, Sumaya.
Fry.
Fry. Great. All right, guys. Now, let's say I want to make pasta. How will I make pasta? Tell me in English. Just a short 4 sentences. How will I make pasta? Can you tell me in English? Yes.
Put bowl, pasta, put bowl, and some salt. Put on your.
First, boil, right? Boil the pasta. Yes. And
Yes.
salt. And
Yeah. And salt.
yes.
And
And
sorry. And serve.
and what? Serve.
Serve.
Yes. So we boil the pasta, add salt, and serve. Great. Okay. How would you make a sandwich? Someone tell me how you would make a sandwich in English. Yes, Sumaya.
Teacher, bread in the put teacher's cheese.
Yes, put cheese on the bread. Yes, put cheese on the bread.
Sonra and cucumbers
Put cucumbers on the bread.
and